Hi everyone, we're here to show you how to replace the square metal clasp on your Fitbit Charge band. Now this is the Fitbit Charge, it is not the Charge HR. The Charge HR has a buckle towards the end here, but the Fitbit Charge has a metal clasp, and we'll show you how to replace that, or in case you lost one and you got a replacement. We'll show you how to install it. We also sell the replacements, and you can purchase them from us at a link below. And it's fairly simple. So there's two metal prongs, and you push on them. And then it loosens it from the band, and then you could pull it right out. So that's what it looks like when it's removed. And then in order to install it, you simply just put it back through the holes. You'll hear a couple snaps, but that does not mean that it's fully installed. On the inside here, around these prongs, there's a lower tier gap that it needs to be pushed through. Might take a few seconds to get it in there correctly. Okay, when it's in there properly, it'll be in there pretty secure. If it's somewhat loose still, then it's not fully in all the way. And you might have to push down a little more, especially here in the center part, to make sure it's really down in there. Then once it's in there, it should be secure, and then you're good to go. Once again, we sell these replacement metal clasps. This is actually a replacement right here, and you can purchase them from a link below. Sad thing is about these Fitbits is if you lose this or it falls out, it's kind of useless, and you know, they're a little bit hard to come by, these clasps, but we do have them for sale. It's somewhat of a reasonable price at the link below. We hope this helped you out. Thank you.